Alright, this is your brewer Jimmy Lee back again. And if you haven't watched the first video, shame on you. You should have watched it. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to bottle this 4.5 gallons of ginger beer. And I'm going to place it into these bottles right here. That's about 21 12-ounce bottles, and that is about 18 or so 22-ounce bombers. So most likely I'll fill up all of the bombers first, and then whatever's left over I'll put into the 12-ounce. So first, I've already cleaned these, just that they've been sitting around my house for a while, so I want to clean them again. I mean, not like get all inside of it with a brush, but it's pretty much just rinse them out with some solution. If you watched my video before, it's sodium bicarbonate. It's OxiClean, which is pretty much sodium bicarbonate and hydrogen peroxide. So pretty much what I'm going to do now is just start cleaning these and hanging them on the rack. And after I clean them, I'm going to disinfect them with a solution of Star San, which is hydrogen. Let me stop. Off the top of my head, I can't remember it, but it's an acid solution. So let's get to it. So this is the first time that I've actually tried doing this live like this, so we'll give it a go. So like I said, I've already scrubbed these, and so I'm just going to rinse them out just to make sure nothing's inside of them. No spiders or anything like that. And that solution is a no rinse solution if you use the right proportions. But I really don't care that much, since I'm going to be dipping in the acid solution, which is pretty much going to neutralize it. So everything will be alright. Another thing you may notice is I have on goggles and neoprene gloves. I will eventually buy the full-size gloves, but for right now, just my thinking is that it's a safety issue, as well as your skin oils and whatever else you put on lotion. It's going to end up in your water, unless you completely just do a complete scrub down beforehand, which I didn't do. So the best thing I can do is just put some gloves on. Normally I would try to edit this video to reduce this, but for right now we're just gonna let this flow so I can get in the spirit of talking and trying to work as quickly as possible. That's one of the issues I always have when I'm brewing, is that I tend to be very leisurely. I guess you can say, I have to be honest with myself, it's, another famous American poet once said, and if you don't notice, I like quoting famous American poets. Anyway, the guy said, and I quote, "Ain't no feature in frontin'." End quote. So Like I said, I just have to be honest with myself and realize my strengths and weaknesses. This is going fairly fast. So, like I said earlier, after I clean all of these, I will pour this water out, most likely into the bottling bucket, so I can clean the rest of the stuff, the stuff I use the bottle with, and I will make a acid solution. So a solution of phosphoric acid and some other organic acid. One thing to remember is that you don't want to pour, you can, but you really want to make sure that you dilute it. If you pour that down your sink, I believe this video is getting pretty long, so I will stop it right now and pick back up later.